तर यहाँ कति 3-4 फिट जति होला है
3 फिट
3 फिट जति हो 3 फिट बढी छ यो हेर्नु त
होइन यहाँ रहेन
अँ,
अहिले म तपाईँको देख्छु
त्यहाँ भिडियो पनि छ त्यो त्यो अहिले चाहिँ भिडियो नै हो
गइरहेको छ आज जनवरी महिनाको 22 तारिकको दिन
22
January 22, we have a very strong storm in this area, and it is अनि हामीहरू आज बिहान हिउँ सोधिरहेको छौँ अब संयोग भनौँ हाम्रो नेपालबाट गोकुल भाइ आउनुभएको छ र उहाँले पनि मलाई धेरै हेल्प गर्नुभयो हिउँ सोर्नमा तपाईँलाई हाउ डु यु फिल
I feel extremely impressive, and this I thought it would be very cold, but I don't feel anything such cold here. So I was expecting we should not come out and clear those snow like such way, but I was not feeling any cold and difficulties here. So I'm exciting and having fun doing this.
So have you seen that kind of storm before?
I have
in your
never seen,
lifetime,
but
or?
I have seen even in Nepal while I was in the trekking into the mountain. But that was very difficult situation, and I was feeling very funny here, and I have never seen snowing like that much. I saw like half feet, but it seems like more than 4 feet already here, and now even being higher. So maybe till tomorrow it become maybe more than 5 feet, I think. No.
Yeah, that is the prediction, but we
Yes.
really don't know how much it will be. But anyway, you are shoveling snow this morning. How do you feel? How hard it is? And I know you are in the travel trade. Normally, you never work hard like this. So,
Because,
what encouraged you to do that,
yes,
and how do you
as per
feel?
the news yesterday, what I have seen in the television, I was expecting it would be very hard outside in the road. You can't come, and they told us. I mean the newspaper. I mean the television was telling everyone should go inside the house. Don't come outside while snowing there. But it seems like you can come outside for a while and you can enjoy in the snowing. So it seems like okay, you can come out, but not for far away. You can come around your house, but you have seen in the road. Just look around there. No cars, no any people you can see.
This is very famous highway actually,
Yes.
just outside of this house. It's Route 29, Woodsville Road. It's the major highway, like a connect to the DC, starting from the White House. There is zero. There is no car at all on the street from last 20 hours, and this
And this
snowing will be
highway
going to
seems
go.
like it's very busy, and let's say in a minute you have crossed more than 100 cars, no, in
Yeah,
the road,
must
but
have.
you can't see anything there. So it's like, and in around the state, uh, the mayor told is state of emergency announced
For the 10
already.
states, yeah.
10 states in the US. So, and I think it's historical the record also since 15 years I heard now.
Yeah.
So, but still you can see the situation become even worse.
Yeah, still we're expecting some very gusty wind in another 1 or 2 hours. But we are here, our car almost covered by the snow.
Yeah.
Here, all the car line up. This is cause we did. It will be easy to remove the snow for the tomorrow morning. We close our business from yesterday, today, and we're gonna close tomorrow as well as. So it is really big impact for the small business owners to shutting down business.
Yes. And do you think it will finish tomorrow or still?
The snowing and blizzard will start by the 11 p.m. this evening, but the impact will remain till tomorrow or Monday till Monday, because the temperature is below the frozen, minus 4 degrees Celsius or like 17 degree Fahrenheit now. so that it's gonna be really bad in the area.
Yes.
And you have been told that like more than 10
Oh yeah,
streets are
we have
declared.
seen one
Vehicle.
this
They are
vehicle is
the
moving.
metro vehicle
Yes.
doing this cleaning up. They are
Oh, I see.
they are putting chemical on the street to de-ice the snow.
Yeah, and television is just saying that more than 4,000 flights were cancelled, and from yesterday and today also nowhere is flying, and tomorrow also maybe in the evening they're gonna fly. Maybe if the weather is getting better, otherwise tomorrow also they're gonna cancel all flights in those 10 cities.
So this is the actually really joyful moment with playing with the snow, and my brownie dog also doing
Yeah.
same.
She is very excited.
And it's really not that much cold though. Even it is like -4, but we can